Every second counts in laser cutting, but speed means nothing without quality. The type of assist gas you use has a major impact on both. Here are 3 reasons why the PPNG MX gas mixer from Pneumatech is the smart choice to help you cut faster, cleaner, and more efficiently. First, a faster cut. Compared to pure oxygen, a nitrogen-oxygen mix can increase your cutting speed by a factor of 5, especially on mild steel. And if you're fusion cutting thicker parts, the PPNG MX helps you go faster and deeper with consistent results. Even on aluminum, it can boost cutting speed by over 40% while improving surface finish. Second, a cleaner cut. Pure nitrogen avoids oxidation, but it often leaves heavy burr, especially on thicker parts. Pure oxygen cuts cleaner, but can cause an oxide layer that must be removed before welding or painting. A controlled gas mix gives you the best of both. Smooth, weld-ready edges with minimal burr and no oxide, so you spend less time on post-processing. Third, seamless integration and easy operation. The PPNG MX is designed to work in perfect sync with your nitrogen and oxygen sources, including Pneumatech's PPNG NX generator. The PPNG NX supplies high-pressure, high-quality nitrogen to the mixer, which then adds the right volume of oxygen. The result is a consistent, high-performance assist gas mix delivered directly to your laser. Whether you're cutting mild steel or aluminum, the PPNG MX boosts speed and quality and fits right into your cutting operation. The Pneumatech PPNG MX, designed for laser performance.